saying that goes, with every blessing comes a burden. I like to say, with every blessing comes a commitment. And today, I'm committed to cleaning out this air fryer. Yes, guys, I have waited too long, and now it's time for me to clean the yuckity yuck out of my air fryer that we use in heavy rotation. Wish me luck. So you guys, I have my soapy water ready. I have my sponge, non-abrasive, and I have my gloves that I'm going to wear to protect my nails and hands so that I can, oh my gosh, clean out this air fryer. But I want it, so I have to do what I have to do to maintain it, and that looks pretty disgusting. So, you know, the time has come. Here is the before. Let me try to get you guys some good footage there. I cannot get all the way up there, unfortunately. That's from splashback and all the other good stuff. But I will clean it to the best of my ability and then come back and show you guys the cleaned up version. Okay, I am all done cleaning it. I scrubbed as best as I can without using anything too abrasive. And I could only get but so much because, you know, really wanted to put my power in it. But it looks a lot better than it was looking before, given the angles being kind of hard to get to. But I think I did a good job. Couldn't really get up there like I wanted to. That's outside of my control, unfortunately. And like I said, I couldn't use like scrubbing things that I normally would, but I'm pretty pleased with the results. It looks a lot better than it did when I first entered it, so yay! So you guys, listen, if you guys have not crossed over to the air fryer yet, I don't know what you're doing with your life, but consider it, because this bad boy has saved me many a days with cooking and all of that. Just set it in there and let it do it for you in half the time that the oven does. Yes. But anywho, thank you guys for tuning in again to our channel. If you have not subscribed yet, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. When you like the episode, give us a thumbs up. And if you have anything you want to share, leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be tomorrow. Ha ha.